Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In this class, we will make a beautiful restaurant menu using HTML, CSS and finally make it responsive. So this is our example or demo part. First we make a section title. So this is subheading and this is heading and there is 3 columns. So each column this is package like menu item image, then item description with price and total price, and finally user can click on order now and place an order. And when you move cursor here and you show the example, there is a title is show here. When remove from cursor here, so this title will be hidden and image make some animation like here. So there is 3 column 1 2 3 and at the bottom 1 2 3 to the 6th column. So here we also use FlexBox and no framework, so site will be more faster and easier to coding. So you can use this design any type of restaurant or hotel site if you want to show your food menu like this. So let's start. So first I back to desktop and already collect all images here. Okay, for starting I create a folder like restaurant. Okay, and open the VS Code and open folder and add this folder from here from desktop, and this is our restaurant. Okay, add this file and click on yes. So first we need a HTML file, so I create a index.html as basic like. So for CSS or image file, I create a folder like assets. In the assets folder, I create another 2 folder. One is CSS for all kind of CSS file, and another is image file img. So again back to the desktop and copy all the images here. Copy all 6 images for our menu item image. So back to our restaurant folder and from asset image and paste all images here. Okay, so back to again base code, and here in the CSS file folder I create another file which named style.css for contain all kind of CSS of our site. And back to index.html, first we need to write basic HTML code. So I just write HTML:5 and hit enter. So this here is our basic HTML structure, and this method is for our responsive part. It would need our letter. So I change the title part and just write here restaurant menu like. So after title we need to link CSS file, so just a link and hit enter. So this is our link basic code, and just write assets then CSS then style CSS. Okay, fine. So we need to make this structure. So there is 2 rows, one is our title part and second is our 3 column or menu item part. So first I write a section like section dot like food area. HTML rules 5 rules. The section is need to start every row. In the section we need a box area like this. So for content box I write another class like container. In the container there is 2 parts. One is section title and second is food item with 3 columns. So just write like title, and inside title I just write P for our subheading. Copy this line and paste here. Then again like H4 for this line. Okay, after this row we call another row for this 3 to the 6 column. So we can name this div like foods. Inside food div for each single column we need to write another div like single food. Inside single food we need image, then item list with price, and then button with order now which is link. And when user move to cursor on it, there is item title. It will be like menu name or package name or platform, whatever you want, your wish. So it will be appear when you move cursor upon this column. Okay, so first we write a div for image, so like food img. Okay, inside img just img tag and just like assets slash img slash food1 jpg. After img I put another tag h4 and just write like package 1 psc package 1. Okay, after this we need this list item, so I copy this all item for faster work in now. Okay, just put after that for here. Okay, so after food image div end we write another class or div like food list. Inside food list we write a ul inside li like 5 li or 6. Okay, maybe we don't need this this div, we just add this div in the ul, so code will be more less. Okay, fine, it will be okay. So I remove this extra div and make the alignment. Okay, so first is our this item, second then third item, then rings and this item. I just add this demo item, you can add as your wish whatever you want. So I just put demo data for faster work. Okay, and put here and check here between item and item price there is gap, two parties huge space. So as we use FlexBox, so we can add a spend for this item for separate, make separate. So just add spend tag like this here, just write spend, again here spend, then here spend tag, and again here spend tag. So code will be more under control, and finally here spend. Okay, and lastly we need a link or button with anchor, write order now. So just write a and just write order now. So this is our basic markup. So we need total 6 column, so I repeat single food 6 times. So one is already, so I need 5 more times. So copy this full code and paste here 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so you can change a text or item. So for now I just change every image. So it is food 1, so it is will be food 2, food 3, food 4, 5, 6. Here 4 item, food 1 2 3 4. Okay, so it is okay. So just click on go live, so we can check our markup. So this is our markup part, so everything is okay, fine. So here is like nice looking typography, because they use a good Google font or font. So we need a Google font, so go to fonts.google.com. so which font they use, so just click here for inspect. So this is separate font, so this font only script, and this font called like Montserrat. Okay, fine. So I remove all the font. Okay, first to search only your script, so we can use this font. So we need one version, so I just write select this font. Okay, and okay, all your script. Okay, fine. Just click add import, just copy those line and back to browser and go to style CSS. So first we need to write basic CSS like start, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box. After this we can put this line. Okay, and then we need font family. Okay, and then another font, so I just write here for now just paste here. For now I just put a comment, we use later. And then we need another font which is Montserrat. Just write Montserrat. Okay, this font. Remove this line. Okay, which font we need? So basically we need a regular font. Okay, we can use bold font. Okay, and we can use semi bold. C is okay, fine. And then again click on import, copy those lines and paste here. So this is our font family. So copy this line, so we can use for our basic site code. So we write body tag and paste here. Okay, again refresh the page and check. So font is appear here. So we need this item fixed size, space, background color. So we can add by live coding. So back to browse spec here, and just for section we can add class here. So class will be add here. Just write background color like hash f4 f4 f4. Then padding like 100 pixel 0. Okay, fine. Then container. So we add a space width like 1170 pixel, margin 0 auto. So these are item now center for according to device. So then we need each for this part. First we need to add. So first we write here our title. So click plus here, text align center, margin bottom like 60 pixel. Then under title p tag. So under title p we can write font family. So font family which is this font. So we can copy this line, only script, so of caps. Okay, so just write font family. Okay, font size, sorry, font is not here. Okay, single quotation, paste. Okay, maybe we page is not loaded yet. Okay, just click inline and copy all the code we write here and just paste our style.css and copy this line or cut and paste here. Okay, fine. Remove this line or comment and back to you can add style CSS. Yes, refresh the page. Okay, this is working now. So just write here like font size 20 pixel, 20 pixel. Okay, fine. So just write here font 20 like 22 pixel. Okay, so just write manually font size 22 pixel. Okay, now our menu part. So under div title, so under title h4 space h4 text transform uppercase, font size like 30 pixel, 34. Okay, margin top 5 pixel 5. Okay, fine. Improve more size like 40. Okay, fine. Yes, is okay now. Just copy this line and paste here after this. Okay, so we can add only a script font bold version. So we can write like wet family CSS. Okay, okay, fine. This is no problem. It's okay now. Okay, so now this done. So each 3 column, each row. So first we need to this column row. So our is 4. So just write here display flex rep. Okay, fine. And then write background, sorry, not here, no need, justify content space between. Then go to single quote and just write here background color hash FFF mean white color, border 1 pixel solid hash triple D gray color. Okay, and then finally we need space like this. Okay, border radius, right? Border radius like 12 pixel. So this is round, but image is not rounded. Okay, and by the way, we need to add space between two items, so I just write here margin bottom like 30 pixel. Okay, fine. So first we need to fix our image part. So food image, first we write position relative, okay, and just add a height like height 220 pixel. Okay, 220 is fine, perfect. Okay, after food image just write border radius. So we need like every space round figure, so we can just write here border radius 12 pixel top right 0 0. So this is round here. Okay, now part is when user move on cursor, this item will be appear here. Okay, so after food image class we add h4. So just write position absolute left 0 top 0 background color hash ff7720. Okay, color hash FFF. Text transform capitalize padding 10 pixel 20 pixel. Okay, just like here. Okay, need more size, font size increase, font size like 20 pixel 22. Okay, font weight 400 or 600. Okay, fine. So normally it don't show here, so I just write top minus. So when it will appear under like 44 40 okay 50. Okay, so when this part is appear when user move cursor any part of this box. So when user move cursor any part of the box, then it will be show here. So how can do this? So this is a single foot. When user move cursor under single foot hover, then 4 img h4 top will be 0 like this, but it show very fast. So if you want to slow, then write add h4 transition 0.3s. So now show here, so it appeared very slowly and nicely. But one problem, normally by default it appear here, but we don't show here like this. When hover it will be appeared. So how can do this? So very easy. In the parent single foot we just write overflow hidden. Okay, so when user move cursor, so it will show here very easily. Okay, so first we copy this all code and paste here, because if we refresh this page, code will be vanished. So work very slowly and clearly. Okay, so this part is okay. So another part, when user move cursor, image will be animated and zoom and slightly skewed. So how can do this? So it will be very easy. How can? So again, when user move single foot hover, then if have any image, transform scale like 1.1. Okay, image will be zoom here. Okay, then rotate like 20 degree. Okay, we need slightly change like 1 2 3. It will be okay, but it show very faster. So first we copy this line and paste here for now. Okay, when the image, just add transition 0.3s, so image will appear slowly. Okay, so but it show here, so we don't to show here like this. So I can solve this. So this our parent is food image, so just write here overflow hidden. Okay, so it will show now. Just write overflow hidden. So where we can write this, just food image overflow hidden. Okay, fine. Okay, now this time to this part. Now so we need few spaces here, so I can do this. Just inspect here. So this is a UL, so just write padding like 20 pixel, list style none. Okay, fine. And then in the full style under ULI, just write font weight 600. Okay, or 400 is fine. Perfect. Yes, 400 is perfect. Increase font size like 12 pixel, 12, 20. Okay, we can write okay, for now 18, and just write display flex justify content space between. So two items appear two side. So we can increase few font size like 20. Okay, 20 for now, or 18. Okay, now 18 is okay. So we can just write border bottom 1 pixel dash like hash triple D, padding bottom 10 pixel, margin bottom 10 pixel. So this is looking nice now. Here our example size, check here, last size is bold and no space here, so I can just trigger this. So copy this class with line and just write last child. Just write border bottom 0, margin bottom 0, padding bottom 0, font weight 600. So total item is more highlight more now, so it look more nicely now. So now our part is this button part. So this button is here. So this parent is our single foot. So under single foot A, first we write text decoration none, background color hash ff7720, color hash FFF, text transform uppercase font weight like 600, then display inline, sorry, display block. Okay, then padding 10 pixel, 20 pixel, then we add a weight like 120 pixel or increase some size 160, margin 0 auto. Okay, and lastly add margin bottom like 20 pixel. Okay, or we can write here margin top. Okay, just write here like top 20 pixel, top right 0, bottom 20 pixel, and left 0. Top right, bottom left, auto, and here auto. Fine. Top we can increase some bottom size. Okay, and add some border radius like 12 pixel or 10, 9. Okay, fine, like this. Okay, almost okay now. And where is a move on cursor, color will be changed. So first we add transition 0.3s, copy this line and again click add class and hover, background color for now add orange color. So uncheck here, so it will be nicely looking now. So click on inline and copy all the CSS code and paste here. Okay, fine. So our site is okay now, and refresh the page and check here. Almost our demo site is perfectly okay now. Hover. Okay, fine. So finally we check the site is responsive. So for this, as I use Mozilla Firefox, just click Ctrl Shift M and the bar will be appear. So first we check 1000 pixel means medium device. So in the medium device it looks like this. Here is a scroll bar, so look odd now. So at the bottom after start CSS, I add media query, add media only screen and mean width like 992 pixel and max width will be 1170 pixel. Okay, so in this line max width only this appear here. So container width will be 970 pixel. Okay, fine, just refresh this. Okay, so here is a problem because we don't add any size here, so we need to add size here, single foot. So we can just write flex basis like 30% or 31%. Okay, fine. So in the flex single foot we add single foot. Why single foot here? Just write flex basis 31% and image we add width 100%. Okay, fine. Back to browser and refresh. Okay, again Ctrl Shift M. Okay, and look, now this part is okay now, because if you can say if device size is minimum 91 pixel, 992 pixel and max area 70 pixel, so site will be perfectly okay now. If I increase some size, look, site is okay now. Okay, if size will be user device is tablet device like 800 pixel, so user look like this. So this space here. Okay, so I can solve this. So again I copy this line, paste here. So here mean width 768 pixel and max width 991 pixel. So here width will be 750 pixel. So again refresh the page, so user look like this. So here is a very congested look odd, so we can just write single foot flex basis like 49%. Again refresh the page and check here, it look more better now and perfectly okay. So we can say our this site is perfect for 768 or bigger size. And finally our this part is called mobile device. Also if width mean, so we can add just max width 767 pixel, so it will be width like 350 pixel. Okay, and flex basis all are 100%. So again refresh the page and just check for 400 and check here. So this is perfectly okay now, no scroll bar. So our site is perfectly mobile friendly now. If we increase size, just look here when increase device. So this is a tablet layout. This is here perfectly okay now. Again increase size, again increase. So this is our medium layout size. Here is perfectly okay now. And if you are large size like big size, so here is big size and size is perfectly okay now. So this is our today teacher now. Hopefully enjoy it. And this is you can use this food menu any kind of restaurant or hotel where you want to show food item with price and package very easily. So hopefully you like this, and please subscribe my channel and share video for more engagement. Thank you very much.